Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Enjoy Tech, or if you're watching from J to the Low channel, welcome, it's Josh here. Today I'm going to unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This is the titanium version, I didn't get the black version. Reason why I feel like if I can get a discount on the titanium color, doesn't make too much difference. So let's unbox it. All right, two part, I think. Boop, boop. Nice packaging, presentation, opening. All right, so the top one is the watch. How should I open it? All right, I'll open from the left to the right. Oh, all right, cool. Let's see if I can open this way. Yep, nice. This is the. So it's easy to open. Just pop it off. This is the charging thing. Oh, yep, it's easy to pop it off. Is it easy to pop it off? Yep. Oh, that's easy. And what about this one? Oh, easy. All right. That's nice. Yep. That's it. Nice. All right. Popping off the charging case. Put this back in if I know how to. Yep. Cool. Putting the packaging kind of back in. All right. Probably so good. And now we are popping off the watch. All right. So just the last year's titanium color. Oop. Oh well. All right. That's it. Cool. So that's the watch. Oh, watch there. I'll close this off. Don't need that anymore. Put it here. And now next is the band. All right. Oh, okay. So it's here. You pull that tab off at the side. Nice sealant packaging. And that's the band. Should I use that one or should I got another steel band from again AliExpress. They call it titanium band. I don't think so. It's just a regular steel band. Maybe I'll use that and I'll keep this one. Oh, give extra band thing. That's cool. Oh, so you can take it out but you can put it back in. Okay. Oh, right. Yeah. Everything in Apple's packaging is so intricate. It feels like everything is thought through, even to the deepest level of how the experience is. So I think that's probably the reason why people buy Apple. The experience is just it's just out of it. I'm not an Apple fanboy, but yeah, the experience is next level. All right, cool. So I'm going to put on my another channel. Thank you for watching the unboxing. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. I'm not paid or sponsored. Everything I do on this channel is what I like. But yeah, I'm not paid, so it does takes a lot of money. So after a while, to review more stuff, I will have to sell this back into the market. Like eBay, our eBay version in New Zealand is Trade Me. But if you do want to sponsor, happy to. Please just let me know. Alright, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and like the channel, please. That'll be awesome, and share. And thank you for watching. Have a great weekend or day, night, morning.